Whoo! All right. Hey, y'all. Hanson here from Ivey and Homestead.
And Gladys. I know, it's been a couple of days.
Yeah, we're playing a little bit of catch up today. So we're having to do 12, 13, and 14 of the Simple Life Reclaimed Thankful Challenge.
Yeah.
And, hey, life happens. It is what it is. Sometimes it gets a little hectic, and we don't have time to do this. And now we're playing catch up, but that's okay. We're not the only ones. There's been several other channels that's doing the Thankful Challenge, and it just things happen, and now we got to play catch up. So that's all good.
So what are you thankful for, baby?
So instead of doing both of us giving something thankful, what we have been doing, okay, and we're having to do 3 different days. I'm going to do 2, she's going to do 1, and then I am going to do 3 shout-outs, though, to make up for all the days. Okay, so obviously my first, what I am thankful and grateful for is my wife.
Oh,
Aww.
Thank you.
I have not told her how much that I'm thankful, obviously. She knows, but I don't say it enough.
Because I drive you crazy off the wall.
I know, you do drive me crazy off the wall. But that's okay. We both drive each other crazy. See, I can't even talk.
Yeah.
But, yes, I am very thankful because, obviously, with our crazy, hectic life, and wanting to do the YouTube thing, and we're so close. There's so many great, awesome people out in these communities that have been shouting us out, and we are so grateful. We're so thankful, Mark. We love you. A few other channels, ones that we've already talked about before. We love you. We thank you. We definitely appreciate all the help that you guys have given us. And do you want to say what you're thankful for? Then I'll do my last one.
I'm thankful for our pets. For all of the
awesome pets.
Pups that come across us or that we meet or any animal that we've had.
Yep, all of our fur babies.
Or a friend's animal. I'm very thankful for their unconditional love because they're always there for us whenever we're feeling blue or whenever we feel happy. They're always there.
So yeah, we actually got to play with a fur baby today.
Yeah.
We went to go over to one of our daughter's friend's house. Met them for the first time. I met her dad, and their fur baby is a 1-year-old yellow lab.
Oh, almost 2.
Almost 2, yeah.
Almost 2.
Oh my goodness, rambunctious all over the place. But she loves tug of war. She loves to run, loves to play, loves to fetch. Yeah. And we had a good visit, a great time, and someone that definitely wants to get interested in blacksmithing and woodworking. So I'm pretty sure you guys will see him in the future if we get him over here to the house. That's if he wants to be on YouTube. If he doesn't, it's okay. I will never force anybody to do this other than this one. And that's why I'm thankful for her.
Oh, my God.
All right, and another thing that I am thankful for is welcome surprises. I always love a good welcome surprise, like washing a pair of shorts and then finding $6 in your pocket that had probably been there for a while. That's a welcome surprise.
Let them know first what happened or what happened to our seat belts.
So we had to take a run to the dump today, to the city dump. Obviously, for those of you that know, the Ford is going to the shop, and we had stuff in the back of the truck that needed to be cleaned out. So we got that cleaned out, had it into the back of the Toyota, and we didn't want to have to take 2 vehicles, so we got me, Gladys, and the 2 girls. And both the girls have never ridden in a truck at the same time. It's always been one or the other. We've never had 4 people in that little tiny pickup because, for a reason, it's really small. Okay.
Yeah.
And putting our oldest in the back seat, the seatbelt didn't work, and that's the seatbelt on the driver's side in the back. It wouldn't click. So
found out it did not click.
Yeah, I never knew because no one's ever sit there before. And so I was looking through the truck, just trying to find something that I can kind of see if I can fix the seatbelt, because the actual the clasp part, or like the little release button part that is broken, and I think I'm just gonna have to fix it. I'm just gonna have to replace it. I can't fix it. I have to replace it. But going through the truck, I found there was a little thing on the back of the center console that said storage only. I was like, what is this? I've never seen this before. And I've had a truck a year, a little over a year.
A little over a year.
A little over a year, because I just got new stickers. And I opened it, and $19 worth of change. $19 worth of change. And so I am definitely thankful for welcome surprises and to the Space King.
That's all it says.
So
Space King.
Yeah, I don't know. So I do know it was a younger gentleman that owned the truck before, or his dad owned it. He was a high schooler / college guy, and so Space King, if you're watching, thanks, bud. You get to replace my seatbelt. So it's welcome surprises. Always a great thing. So go through your vehicles, especially if you have a used vehicle, and you might be able to find a hidden compartment you didn't know about, and never know. So it's definitely, that was awesome. No, we loved it. Oh. So some shout outs for today. There's a couple in here, people that I know have followed us for a little while, and some that are a little lower. They've been doing YouTube for a little bit, but they're still smaller channels. And then I have one channel that is kind of like in the same boat that we are. They're right around 940 something, 948, I think, and we're right at 950. So I definitely want to shout them out as well, because they're a great channel. They do some great gardening and just all kinds of different stuff. It's a great channel. You just got to go check them out. Okay, so but the first one that I'm going to do is North Country Forge. Steve. So this is a guy that, for one, epic beard, y'all. Epic beard. He puts my beard to shame. He even had a real long big beard, and he had to shave it for a work thing, and then had to grow it back out. So it's one of those that he's hit a lot of rough road, a lot of dead ends, or what he thought was a dead end. It just happened to be a fork in the road type thing, and it just had to lead him to different paths down this blacksmithing journey that he's on. And really, really great guy, and his artistry in blacksmithing is very, very good. And I guarantee you go over to his stuff. He doesn't post on a daily. He doesn't do a lot of stuff, but maybe if we can go over there and start showing him some love, that he'll post a little more often with some of the processes and some of his just amazing work that he's doing over there. All right. And then another one that I want to shout out is also another smaller channel, but he still does great stuff. I want to see some more of his woodworking stuff, because I know he hasn't done a whole lot of that, but he does outdoor activities, cooking. He does crock pot types, or the Dutch oven type stuff, on like a cast iron Dutch oven, outdoor cooking, and just little projects for like around the house, right? And that's D.A. Berry Outdoors. So great stuff. I want to see some more of your woodworking, because I already know that you're going to watch this. So some of the cutting boards and things that he's done for a giveaway were just phenomenal. They were gorgeous. So definitely want to see some more of that stuff. And then for the last one, which I said they're almost at 1,000, just like us, and they do some great videos. And do you want to call them out?
Yes, it's Simple Life. So A Simple Life with Chris and Tara.
Yep, A Simple Life with Chris and Tara. Yeah. I know that she's probably only watched a couple whenever I watched them, but yes. I've watched quite a few of their videos, and they do try to live a simple life, and it's some really good stuff. Trying to get this one a little more into the gardening scene on YouTube. maybe next year. But we'll get her through some college stuff first. So that's her primary focus right now. And that's fine.
Yes.
All right. Got anything else, baby?
No, nothing else.
All right. I don't have anything else either. So we will continue to try to do these the daily. Obviously, life does happen. And if we have to play catch up again, we will. And tomorrow is actually going to be a very special day.
Yep.
We get to do a Blacksmith Guild meetup once again. And it's going to be at an 1800s style living ranch or working ranch.
Mm-hmm.
So the house was built in 1800s. The blacksmith shop, all the outbuildings are in that era of that. So I'm definitely going to get some footage of that. Do a little video, and as much as I can. Obviously, if there's people in the guild or in the community there that do not want to be on video, I'm not going to do that.
Yep. But
we will definitely show some of the house. We will show some of the outbuildings and all those things, and just kind of take you along on that journey. It's going to be great.
Yay.
So we had so much fun last year. Can't wait to do it again.
Yep, with the windmill there.
Yep. Yeah. All right, y'all. So until again.
See you later.
Later.